Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker review, and today I have a brand new pickup from Finish Line. This here is a new sneaker from Adidas that I was really eager to try when I saw them initially. And after I saw some reviews on them, I figured I'd have to pick them up because they're saying they're probably one of the most comfortable Adidas Boost sneakers out. As you can see from the label, it is the BYW Level 1. This right here is something that's a little bit different. It looks kind of like a Y3, which kind of drew my attention to it, and then it kind of looks like a Crazy 8, which was kind of cool. But as you can see, it's in a blue Adidas box. This means that it is not a performance model, it is just a strictly casual one. As you can see right there, Finish Line also slashed my box in half, so I just taped it back together. Here's the shoe. This thing is like crazy. Like, I don't even know how to begin to explain what this looks like. It has like a really high sock liner. It really just has the Crazy 8 silhouette with Boost added to it. And it has different Boost pods. There's 1, 2, and 3. So you feel each one when you take a step. It's different support for different parts of your foot, which I thought was really cool. And they just have a whole bunch of boost in there, so it's just super comfortable. Now, there's a lot of detail that went into the shoe. One thing that I noticed right off the bat is, I don't know what it means, but you can kind of see right there the different, it's like a date on the top. Not too sure what that is, but they added that on there. And then there's a whole bunch of different materials. There's like mesh, prime knit, suede, this corduroy-like mesh right here. It's a whole like bunch of different things going on. Here on the back, you get the Adidas branding, and then you get the little feet you wear guy right there, which is kind of a cool throwback. The outsole of the shoe, it's not completely capsulated Boost. It kind of sticks out, but it's really spongy, so you still get that full Boost feel, if that makes sense. But it's not very hard, but it will give you some grip, like when you're walking around. It's not a basketball shoe, like I said, so it has like zero structure, as you can see. So I would not recommend this for any type of sport, but just as a casual, like lifestyle sneaker, this thing is dope. This white embroidery right here, I thought was like 3M piping or something, but it's actually just embroidery, which is really nice. And then it has this, like, I want to say flywire type stuff, even though it's not Nike, kind of going around where you lace your laces through. So that's kind of cool. The suede tongue is different. Like, it's something that doesn't really match up with the rest of the sneaker. The suede that they threw on here kind of throws me off a little bit. It's like they kind of just got every single material they had at their disposal and just threw it on there. Overall, I think it's a pretty dope shoe. It's different, I can say that. $170 retail, but you can find these under retail already on different sites. I used my discount on these, and I bought a bunch of other stuff. So I paid about 200 bucks, got these, another pair of shoes, and some hats. So it's a pretty good deal on these. They're on Finish Line. I think they're already $25 off with a certain coupon. Foot Locker has them, I think, on sale too. These things, they're dope if you can get them under retail. $170 I thought was a bit high when they did the pre-order. I even had a 15% off coupon, and I still passed. Just because I knew if I got them at Finish Line, I could get them for 30%, which I just ended up ordering because I don't think anybody here in town actually got them. One more thing to note is on the bottom, it's not carbon fiber, but it's like a plastic shank that runs through for, I guess, support. That's something cool, because the rest of it is just Boost and like a sock upper. So if it wasn't for that, it would just be like flimsy. Overall, I really dig the shoe. Like I said plenty of times, it's different. I don't have anything like this in my collection. It's pretty bulky. So if you're not a fan of bulky sneakers, this definitely isn't something for you. But if you like some different things, something that's a little bit different from what you're usually rocking, this is something you can definitely go towards. From what I've seen, they're actually releasing a basketball version, which I'm guessing is level 2. Which has more structure, different materials, which will be better for basketball. And those would be cool if you're looking to ball on them, but these, like I said, is just strictly lifestyle. And to wrap it up, the sizing on these things are going to be definitely true to size. I got 11.5, not knowing if I should have gone to a 12 because of the ankle collar, but they're so flimsy, you can really probably even go a half size down if you needed to. But true to size is definitely perfect for me. 11.5, I wouldn't go any other way. But that is going to be it for this one. Just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on the new Adidas BYW Boost You Wear. Go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.